Our new ML25 Core Unit series was created specifically to fit in our 25-liter camera bags. Previously, both the Action X25, Explore 25, and the accompanying women's versions only accepted the small ML Core Unit. Now we're offering two new sizes, an extra small size and a large size to accompany a newly updated small version 2. The new extra small is ideal for a body and two lenses, or even more gear if you're using a compact camera setup. We updated the original small size by making it a little wider, and it's even better fitting for a Trinity 2.8 lens setup. Both of those are compatible with the Action X25, Explore, and Urban Explorer 25 backpacks. The ML25L, also known as the RST25, takes up the entire interior of an Action X25 and allows you to fill the entire pack with camera gear. It also means you can pack and remove a mounted 200-600 lens from the top access point quickly and ready to shoot. Action X25 also fits under most airline seats, so if you're the type who likes to have your gear at your feet while you fly, it's an ideal option. All ML25 Core units also have side access and include a protective skin dust cover. The skin also makes an ideal packing cell as it matches the width and depth of the camera bag. If you're looking to carry a small amount of gear or something much more significant, like a 200-600 lens, our new ML25 series is here for you.